It's Friday, and you've almost survived another crazy week in AI. Let's get into today's news. Higgsfield's new supercomputer orchestrates 40+ tools, 3 layers of memory, and an upgraded Hermes agent. Describe what you want: a reel, an ad, a product shot, a week of content, and it picks the models, runs the pipeline, and delivers the finished asset. It can do deep research on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok at scale, then generate matching content from references. Skills are installable workflows from a marketplace, like a commercial ad flow or a trend research pass. This puts Higgsfield head-to-head with everyone else who is racing to package creative AI into a single product. The $1.3 billion valuation they hit in January suddenly looks more justified. An account on X called Schloms wrote, "I just generated an image in the style of a Monet painting using AI and ticked the Made with AI tag. The image was a cropped, high-resolution photograph of an actual Monet canvas. Hundreds of people lined up to explain why the brushwork looked off, the composition felt soulless, the colours seemed flat. Self-styled art experts joined in. 24 hours later, the trick was revealed and the internet got very quiet." The interesting bit isn't that people got fooled, it's that AI aversion has become so reflexive that the label alone overrides what someone is actually looking at. Made with AI became a permission slip to dismiss a Monet. The Googlebook is Google's new flagship laptop, built from the ground up around Gemini. Acer, Asus, Dell, HP, and Lenovo are all manufacturing them, each carrying a signature Glowbar along the front edge. They arrive this autumn. 3 features stand out: the magic pointer surfaces contextual Gemini suggestions wherever you point on screen. Create Your Widget builds custom dashboards from a prompt, and Quick Access pulls your Android phone's files straight onto the laptop with no transfers needed. With this, Google has folded Chrome OS into the Android tech stack, collapsing 15 years of 2 separate platforms into one Gemini-First OS. Sonny, the former NASA EagleWorks lead behind the much-contested Warp Drive papers, has launched Casimir Inc. with a $12 million seed round, targeting commercial chips by 2028. The claim is that they have engineered Casimir cavities acting as a quantum ratchet, with electrons tunneling one way to produce current. Today, the prototypes deliver around 40 microwatts. The long-term vision is half-watt phone chargers and 500-watt vehicle assemblies. White did publish a serious paper in Physical Review Research in March, but that paper says nothing about extracting energy. The chip claims sit in press releases, not peer review. So our skeptical meter is high. But if even a fraction of this stands up, the implications are quite extraordinary. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you can go just one more step and support us by liking and sharing this video, we would really appreciate it.